Do you know whenever you sit at your computer or laptop and where you put your fingers on your keyboard to type? Most say home row, but me, I'm a bit weird when it comes to typing, honestly. I like to call my way of typing milk tea because, well, as my mouse is the Razer Origi V2 is white and my keyboard is the Uniz, correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, with the YZ87. It has the colors of pretty much like brown sugar milk tea. Alright, back on topic. But the way I type is very strange, to be honest. I've previously mentioned I first have my left hand, like I main left hand. I have my pinky on my left hand on shift, and I have my other fingers on WASDs and my thumb on space. Then for my right hand, I usually have it just literally floating near shift and enter. And I only use my pointer finger for that one. And to be honest, the only reason I learned to type fast on my right, because even though it is my dominant hand, how I learned to type faster with it with just a pointer is a lot of rhythm hive, a lot of rhythm hive, and yeah, and my left hand is just from video games. Anyways, how do you guys type? Do you guys like type home rows, or do you guys type another way? I'd love to hear your comments. All right, peace.
Moments of calm, nothing left to be found. A mirror running from